The seventh house is the house of relationships, helping us understand one-to-one connection, partnership, and the way we relate to others. This house also relates to marriage and commitment, showing the beauty of choosing connection, devotion, and shared life with another. The seventh house supports agreements and cooperation, reminding us that healthy partnership grows through mutual understanding and working together. This house also relates to justice, fairness, and legal matters, helping us honor balance, equality, and respect between both sides. The seventh house also speaks to business agreements and partnerships, showing how shared goals can grow through trust, cooperation, and clear intention. At its highest expression, the seventh house teaches balance, harmony, and cooperation, while helping us balance self and other through its relationship with the first house.